Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the energy source. Plug a QC/PD USB-C adapter rated 18W or higher into the charger pad. Once powered, remove any case thicker than 3 mm and take off metal mounts. Those stop the coils. Now place your S23 Ultra face up. Centered on the pad, you'll feel a short vibration or see an LED change when alignment is correct. If the phone shows charging, you're past step 1 and ready to move into optimization. Once you see the charging icon, fine-tune placement. Slide the phone a few millimeters at a time or rotate it about 45 degrees until the charging animation stays steady. Make sure the pad isn't on fabric that traps heat. Use a hard, flat surface. Then open Settings, go to Battery, and exclude wireless charging from aggressive power, saving so background processes don't interrupt. This keeps charging continuous and faster, which is why you adjust placement and settings now. To finish, leave the S23 Ultra centered on the pad until the battery reaches your target. Avoid gaming or high brightness use that causes heat. If charging fails, first swap the USB-C cable and power brick. A bad adapter is the most common culprit. If that doesn't help, try a different Qi pad to isolate the issue. As a final troubleshooting step, reboot the phone and reset wireless settings. This clears conflicts that sometimes prevent wireless charging from starting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.